Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty egg roast recipe. This egg recipe gives best taste when served along with appam, idiyappam, rice or chapathi. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Keep it medium flame and add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1.5 tablespoon chopped garlic. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Now add 4 sliced onions, 1 teaspoon salt, mix it well. Saute it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden brown color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When it turns light golden brown color, keep it low flame and add some curry leaves. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1/4 cup of hot water, half teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 4 boiled eggs. You can also prick the eggs with your knife. It will enhance the masala absorption by the eggs. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Tasty egg roast recipe is ready. It is very delicious when served along with appam, idiyappam, rice or chapathi.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.